All right, today we are going to start with a review with all of our multiplication facts, okay? So we're going to get our hands ready, put our pencils down beside of us, and we're going to start with the multiplication fact of 5 times 5. Are you guys ready? Put it in your brain. That's okay, sweet people. We'll get it here in just a minute, okay? All right, put 5 times 5 in your brain. Are we ready? Here we go. 5 times 5 equals 25. Perfect. We're going to do 4 times 4. Are you ready? 4 times 4 equals 16. Are you ready? We're going to do 6 times 6. Here we go. 6 times 6 equals 36. We're going to do 2 times 8. Are you ready? 2 times 8 equals 16. Fabulous job. Kiss your brains. All right. We have been working with 2 properties of multiplication. Who can help me out and tell me one property that we've been working with? I'm going to go with Jordan. The associative property. You're exactly right, sweet pea. And the associative property, we call that what type of property? Who remembers? What do we call it, Abby? The friendship property. That means that, Miss Vera, can I borrow you for a moment? Just stand up. And Macy, may I borrow you for a moment? It means that we're all friends. So we can multiply here and then multiply over here. Or we could start here and multiply here and then multiply over here. And we're going to get the same answer or the same product. And we do the same product, then we just flip around and we're all friends, right? Have a seat. All right, so the associative property was one of the properties. Who can tell me the second property that we've been working with? Autumn? Flip-flop. The flip-flop property. So we have factor times factor equals product, and we can take one factor and take the other factor, and we can flip-flop them, and we're still going to get the same answer. The same answer or the same product. Right. I say multiply, you say product. Multiply, product. Multiply, product. Fantastic. All right, so today we're going to introduce a new property, and that property is called the distributive property. Can you say that with me? Distributive property. Now, the distributive property is also called the break apart property. Can you do that with me? Break apart property. And the reason why it's called that is because we take one big equation, a larger equation, and we break it apart into 2 smaller equations, and we find the product, okay? Ready, finished? She has her array. It's perfect. All right, fabulous. Wesley's almost there. I see that Miss Vera is there. Parker, I see yours. Cole, fabulous. So let's look. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I want to have 3 going down instead of 5. So everybody start at the top of your array and let's count down 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's where our pencil or our hand needs to separate so that we can have 2 smaller arrays. I love that I see Gabriella, her pencil's where it needs to be. I see that Arlie has his pencil there. I see Abby's hand is right where it needs to be. Fabulous. So let's take a look. If I have 3 times 4 in that first array, what would be my product or my answer? All right, Cole, help me out. 12. You think 3 times 4 is 12? If you agree with Cole, show me one of these. Oh, look how many people agree with you, Cole. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put your 12 down here, okay? All right, you had your pencil right here, right? And you said that you broke it into 3 times 6. Then you had this one. What is this one? 3 times 6. So you have 3 times 6 and 3 times 6. Can you write another 3 times 6 here for me? Perfect. I love that you added that addition sign. Okay, now you're going to solve this equation and this equation and then add them, okay? Good job, Skylar. You have it. Good job. Fabulous. What were your 2 smaller equations? You had 6 and 4. What did you get for 6 times 4? 24. And then you had 1. Was it 1? 1 times 4 was 4. All right, so you're going to add 24 plus 4. And what do you get for your sum?